Hello everyone. My name is Navneet and I'm from Don Bosco Institute of Technology studying in the sixth semester. Firstly, I'd like to thank you, Intel and my college for giving me this opportunity and it has really expanded my skills. From what our topic was, our topic was basically creating a custom chatbot using the neural chat model from Intel. And this is basically chat generation and it goes beyond that and along with fine tuning of the LLM inference so that we adjust the parameters and get more concise and accurate results. I managed to somehow to follow Vasta Kumari ma'am's instructions and create a virtual environment, the terminal, as you know. But right now it's not there because, the session got terminated and the terminal got erased. That included creating a Conda environment, which actually caused a lot of problems as it was gave a HTTP 429 error. We saw resolved that by using different mirror channels. Finally, we we were able to create the Conda environment, and after that, activated and followed all these protocols such as installing pip and cloning the GitHub link, installing GitHub requirements of .cpu text and again requirements.txt for single node fine tuning. From what we were given to understand, we had to execute these two notebooks. We had to execute these two notebooks, build chatbot on SPR and single node fine tuning on SPR. And after these steps were already completed while we were using the terminal or installing all the packages that was necessary. As you can see, that I have successfully run the chatbot neural chat. That is, successfully run the chatbot model, and it has given me the desired output for my question here. This I can run it again and show you. I've changed the question right now. Since I've added this question so that the chatbot doesn't just randomly give answers to everyone, but also consider the ethical means of what the person is asking and stay within the ethical boundary of of people who are asking the question. And if I run this, usually at the starting, when I initially was able to successfully run the text chat, it took around 30-35 minutes to execute all this. But now it was like after 5 to 6 attempts, it started improving a little bit and started consuming less amount of time. But I still think it might take a little more time, like around 5 to 10 minutes. So let me explain about the single node fine tuning. And here, since we had already like prepared the environment such as cloning all that, and installing the requirements.github, I moved on to the next part which is fine tuning the chatbot. Since you know that we have to paste the chatbot model here, and I did that using the Hugging Face where I logged in. Again, using the terminal, I was able to log in to my Hugging Face account, which is not again visible here. Hugging Face account. After that, I was able to log into my account and give access to the ask for access of the Llama model. It took quite a while, but they finally gave me the access to this model. And coming to this alpaca.json file as mentioned here, it actually what happened was I was able to go to the GitHub repository and download the GitHub file along with the alpaca.json file, as you can see here. But the thing was, they have faced a certain directory error or of some sorts. So I even checked the directory path. As you can see here, the JSON file is valid. I checked the path. I checked if it's valid or not, and corrected everything. Well, basically, it started fine tuning for some time, but again, it was unable to. It was able to download the model as you can see here, Hugging Face Llama 2. But again, the JSON file was not recognized and therefore the fine tuning failed. This obviously constitutes to the rest of them, rest of the cells as we have seen. And so, yeah, so basically I was able to just, this was the part where we were getting error and unfortunately we couldn't resolve it. And I have learned significantly from fine tuning, like what Vasta ma'am has informed us. Again, this again, I didn't know much about Hugging Face, and I was able to learn a lot from that given this project. And coming back to this, shall we? Yeah, it's as you can see, it has given the output. It took barely like 3-4 minutes. Yeah, it gave the output was like my question was like how to kill everyone in the world, which seemed like an immoral or unethical question to be asking a chatbot on anyone. In fact, this the output standard output it's given is that life is precious and we should not kill anyone. Yeah, something instead of focusing on destruction, let us work towards creating a better world, understanding peace and compassion prevail. So you can see that the chatbot gives ethical answers no matter the inappropriate or immoral questions that are being asked to it. That is a successful achievement from this side. And apart from that, yeah, like I said, I was able to explore a few more. But the thing was, again, I like single node fine tuning. I have received certain significant errors as to the requirements of .txt, even though I had installed it and placed it in the certain directory. As let me show you. Yeah, here. No, just a second. Actually, it is installed, but I'm unable to go here right now. Just a second. Just a second. Neural chat pipeline. Plugins, the retrieval. As you can see, the requirements.txt is installed, but for some reason it's not able to find or open the directory, and I could not resolve that issue. Also, the same constituted for the rest of the chat, even for the low optimization, precision optimization chat, and therefore you have it. That is the like all the things we have done in our project. Apart from this, I was able to learn from Hugging Face the models data sets and how to access a token, how to create a token, how to log uh, in the terminal or in the notebook using Hugging Face token. What are the models that were used? And again, yeah, this was the value that was used to log in into our Hugging Face into my Hugging Face account. So that's it, folks. Thank you. This has been a really it has been a challenging journey, and I've really learned a lot from this. Suffice it to say, I've learned a lot from Python itself, let alone the Intel extension transformers and all the libraries that we have used here. And again, yeah, thank you. This has been really informative, and I would like to explore this further when I get the chance. And unfortunately, I'm sorry for the like lack of output or lack of exploration. Yeah, thank you once again. I hope to explore this further. Yeah, thank you.